here from violinspiration.com. Today we are going to learn Viva la Vida from Coldplay, a well-known song. You can find the sheet music in the description as well as the free sheet music of scales that I recommend to practice along with this, because it can be very useful to practice the scale of the tune that you're going to play before you are going to start your practice. You can find everything in the description. That being said, good luck learning this song. I hope you will enjoy it. There's 3 versions that you will find in this video. First of all, you will find the slowest version. First, try to learn to play all the notes with the slowest version and then gradually move up the ladder until you can play the fastest version. Before you get started with all of the versions, a few tips from me. First of all, in this song, rhythm is really important, and it is also pretty difficult to play the rhythm well. So what you could do before actually grabbing your violin is first trying to clap on the rhythm and see if you can clap along with the rhythm that I play before you try to play it on the violin. The second thing that I recommend with this tune is to play it with confidence. You don't want a lousy Viva la Vida, not like... That doesn't sound great. So really imagine yourself to be a great violin player. Put your head up high and play with confidence, which means the bow strokes, they should be strong and also start directly. So don't play very slowly with the bow, but really use a bit bigger part of the bow and play a little bit quickly with your bow. You can also use vibrato if you can. And the third thing I recommend, a thing you can try, is to play a slide on some of the notes. If you want, you can experiment with this. Sometimes you can play, instead of playing this, you could play. So you're moving up the note. I will show it to you in the upper view so you will see exactly what it looks like. So here you can see a slide demonstrated. If we are playing a slide, we start slightly below the note that we want to play the slide towards. In this case, we want to play it to the C sharp or the high second finger on the A string. We place our second finger on purpose a little bit lower and we slide up. In this way, you can get a very nice effect. So that is how to play a slide, and that can give a really nice effect. And I do recommend to use that slide on the longer notes. Simply because if you would use it on a shorter note, you don't manage to get to the pitch before you actually have to go to the next note. So it simply will sound out of tune. So really play it on the longer notes for a nice effect. I hope these few tips helped you with practicing. Good luck practicing this song. I hope you will really enjoy this arrangement. And yeah, it's up to you now. Go practice, get your violin. If you are watching this without your violin, this is not allowed on my channel. Get your violin right now. Okay, good luck. reached this part of the video, it means that you've played with the fastest play along. Congratulations, that is really awesome. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you want to learn more violin tunes like this, please subscribe to my channel. I'm uploading weekly violin songs. You can also check out my website for many more violin songs and tutorials and free sheet music. violinspiration.com. Okay, I hope to see you next week. Goodbye, have a great day.